Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show two different ways purchase requisitions we can flag for deletion in mass. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. To delete purchase requisition in mass, we can use the transaction code MEMASSRQ. Now press enter key. Click on continue button. Here select purchase requisition EBAN table. Now click on execute button. Click on continue button. Here we can add our purchase requisition numbers. So these are my purchase requisition numbers. Click on execute. Again click on execute button. Here click on select fields. Now find the deletion indicator field. Here I am not able to see the deletion indicator field. First we need to add the deletion indicator field in SM30. Close this window. Go to the transaction code SM30. Enter SM30. Now press enter key. Enter the table MEMASSRQ. Now select enter conditions radio button. Click on maintain. Click on right mark. Here select table name. Click on right mark. My table is EBAN. Now click on right mark. Click on right mark. Here select any one line. Click on copy function. Change the field name. Deletion indicator field name is this one. Press enter key. Click on save button. Click on continue. Now come back. Again go back to mass transaction T code. Come back from this transaction. Enter the transaction again MEMASSRQ. Now press enter key. Click on continue button. Select the purchase requisition table. Click on execute button. Click on right mark. Add your purchase requisitions. Now click on execute button. Click again execute button. Click on select fields. Now we are able to see the deletion indicator field. Now click on left arrow. Click on continue button. Here add the deletion indicator in capital X. Select the column. Click on perform mass change. Click on save. Click on continue. Yes, my purchase requisitions are successfully flagged for deletion. Now we can check it in ME53N. Go to the transaction code /N ME53N. See, my purchase requisition is successfully flagged for deletion. In the second method, we can use LSMW recording method. Enter the transaction code LSMW, press enter key again, enter project, subproject and object, click on create, enter description, press enter key, enter description. Once we enter the description, click on continue button, click execute button, click again execute button, go to change mode, select recording option, click on recording overview, click on recording, create recording button, enter recording name, enter the description, press enter key, enter the transaction code ME52. Now click on continue button or press enter key, enter PR number, press enter key. First enter the line item number, press enter key, click on go to, select details, select closed indicator. This is also important. In mass transaction, it is not possible to add closed indicator. Why? Because that mass transaction program cannot support this closed indicator. Now click on deletion indicator. Click on save option. Click on default all. Click on save. Come back. Come back. Click here. System automatically selects the recording name. Save it. Come back. Now click on execute again. Go to change mode. Click on create. Enter the table. I'm entering YPRC. Enter description. Press enter key. Save it. We are created source structure. Now come back. So before going to third step, we need to decide what are all the fields we need to maintain in source structure. Click on object overview, click on table, select these all the fields, press Ctrl Y, select all the fields, open Excel sheet, paste the copied values here, move this column to right side, select these all the values, enter C, capital C, press and hold the control key, press enter key, remove this column. Here now we need to choose the required fields. Purchase requisitions required. This is also required. Short text not required. Remove it. Purchase requisition quantity not required. Delivery date not required. Category of delivery date not required. Not required. Not required. This is required. These two are not required. Remove it. Only 4 fields are required. Okay. Just copy it. Go back to SAP screen. Come back. Now click on execute. Go to change mode, select the source structure, click on table maintenance, paste the copied value here, click on save, come back, save it, come back. Now click on execute, go to change mode, just save it. Now come back, click on execute, go to change mode, click on extra, click on autofill mapping. Don't change anything here, click on continue, continue, yes, click on continue button. Now save it. Come back. 6th step is not necessary, skip it. Click on specify files. Before that we need to prepare the data. These are my purchase requisitions. Enter the line item number. Line item number is 10. All are same line item number. Closed indicator is capital X. Deletion indicator also capital X. Copy and paste the same. Copy this data. Open one more Excel sheet. Paste it here. Click on file. Click on save as. Click on browser. We need to convert it to text file format. Select Unicode text. Click on save. Close it. Go back to SAP screen. Click on execute. Go to change mode. Double click on legacy data. Click here. Select the text file. Click on open. Enter description. Select tabulator radio button. Click on continue. If your file consists header, just select this checkbox. Okay. Now click on continue. Save it. Come back. Click on execute again, go to change mode, save it, come back, just execute, execute, click on allow, come back, execute, click on continue, check any one line, yeah it looks fine, come back, execute, execute, come back, execute again, check it again, it looks fine, come back, come back. Now we are creating the batch input session. Click on execute, click on execute, click on right mark. Yes, my batch input session successfully created. Now we need to run the session. Click on execute, select the line item, click on process. First few entries I am going to run in foreground method. Select expert mode. Click on process. Just move this dialog box to here. Click on continue. Yes. Click on continue. Click again continue. Close indicator selected. Click on continue. Click again continue. Continue. Yes, my data is successfully changing. Yes, it's working fine. Now click on system, go to service, go to batch input, select display errors only. Yes, click on session overview. Now check it. Go to the transaction code ME53N. Press enter key. Click on other purchase requisition. Enter purchase requisition number. Click on other document. See here deletion indicator selected and closed indicator also selected. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.